welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see the divisibility rules of different numbers. So what is divisibility rule? Divisibility rule helps us to determine whether a number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out the division process. So these rules will help us to know a number is divisible by another number or not. So we can see different numbers. So first one is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. So what is the rule? Any number ending with an even number will be divisible by 2. Any number ending with an even number. Any number ending with an even number is divisible by 2. We can see some examples. 2, 8, 1, 6, 4, 2. So this is ending with an even number. So this is divisible by 2. 4, 9, 8, 3, 2, 6. This is ending with an even number. So this is divisible by 2. Okay. So next we will see divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3, in this what we have to do is that we have to carry out the sum of all the digits. If the sum of all the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. So that is the rule. Sum of digits divisible by 3. Example. We have to add all these numbers and let's see the sum is divisible by 3 or not. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 16. 16 is divisible by 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 3. Let's see another example. 2, 5, 9, 2, 0. We have to add all the digits of these numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So this is the divisibility rule by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Clear? Next is divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of a given number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. That is the divisibility rule by 4. Okay. If last two digit of a number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. We can see the example. 2, 5, 6, 4, 1, 6. This number is divisible by 4 since the last two digit is divisible by 4. Another example. 9, 8, 4, 6, 3, 6, 4. We can say very easily that this number is divisible by 4. How? The last two digits is divisible by 4. Last two digits 64 is divisible by 4. So we can say this number is divisible by 4. Okay. Next is divisibility by 5. If a number is ending with 0 or 5, we all know this very well. Number ending with 0 or 5. No need to explain because we know this very well. 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. If it is ending with 5, it is divisible by 5. Or if it is like 1, 8, 2, 8, 0. If it is ending with 0, it is divisible by 5. Ending with 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Okay. Next one is divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. We can see example. If this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then this number is divisible by 6. So it is ending with an even number. So for sure it is divisible by 2. Now we need to check if this number is divisible by 3 or not. How we will check? We will add all the digits of this number. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Sum is 18. So this is divisible by 3 also. So what we can say? This number is divisible by 6. Okay, next one is divisibility by 7. This was requested by many of my friends because no one is aware of this divisibility by 7. I will show how we can do the divisibility test by 7. Okay. If we have a number, for example, if we have 2401, we have to check if this number is divisible by 7 or not. So we have to take the last digit of the number and multiply it with 2 and subtract it from the remaining number. So here this is 240 minus 1 into 2 is 2. We get 238. Again we have to do the same. Multiply the last digit with 2 and subtract it from the remaining number. So it will be 23 minus 16. What is 23 minus 16? That is 7. 7 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. We can see one more example. 22680. So last digit multiply with 2 and subtract from the remaining number. So 2268 minus 0 is 2268 itself. Now double this number. Multiply the last digit with 2 and subtract it from the remaining number. So 226 minus 16. What we will get? 210. Again do the same procedure. 21 minus multiply 0 with 2, so we'll get 0 itself is equal to 21. See, 21 is divisible by 7. So that means this number is divisible by 7. This is the divisibility rule of 7. Okay, you can try this with any other numbers. So just we have to multiply the last digit with 2 and subtract it from the remaining number, and until we are getting a final number, and just check if that final number is divisible by 7 or not. If it is divisible by 7, this number is divisible by 7, or else it's not. Okay. Okay, next is divisibility by 8. If last 3 digit of a number is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. If last 3 digit of a number is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. So we can see an example. 9, 4, 6, 1, 5, 1, 2. We have to check the last 3 digit. 5 and 2 is divisible by 8 or not. So 6 8s are 48, remaining 3 in 32, 4 8s are 32. So that is the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. So this whole number is divisible by 8. Clear? Okay, next is divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then that number is also divisible by 9. Same like divisibility rule of 3. Sum of digits of a number is divisible by 9. Okay, we can see an example. 3 1 7 2 8 6. So we have to check if this number is divisible by 9 or not. How we will do? 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 6 is 27. Sum is 27. So we know that 27 is divisible by 9. So that means this number is divisible by 9. This is the divisibility rule of 9. Next is this divisibility rule of 10. If a number is ending with 0, that's it. If a number is ending with 0, I think no need to explain this. We all know this very well. If any number is ending with 0, it is divisible by 10. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.